We're glad you made the commitment to induction cooking for fast, easy, and consistent results every time. Getting to know your new induction range is simple. Ready to get started? Induction cooking uses electromagnets to create heat. Make sure your cookware is compatible. Cookware must contain magnetic iron or steel. Check cookware compatibility by sticking a magnet on the base and side. The magnet must cling firmly for cookware to work. It's important your cookware has a flat bottom to make contact with the entire cooking surface. This symbol on your cookware indicates it's induction friendly. Your cookware must fit minimum and maximum size requirements for the range to work. If the pot or pan is too small, the display will flash and the pan will not heat. Also, avoid using pots or pans that extend too far beyond the outer ring. The display will show the setting for the cooking zone you are using. If you turned on a cooking zone by pressing the plus button, the range will be in the Power Boost setting. It will remain in the Power Boost setting for 10 minutes unless you change it. Here are the power levels for the cooking surface. L is for low setting. 2 through 9 are increment settings. H is high setting. P is power boost. Additional recommendations can be found in your use and care guide. It's perfectly normal to hear a slight buzzing or humming sound when using your induction range. The magnetic field over the induction cooking zone may cause the cookware to vibrate, especially on high settings. You may also notice a faint clicking sound from the electronic switches that maintain the desired cooking temperature. Don't forget to set the clock. Just press Set Clock. No need to hold the clock key down. Then, press and hold the up or down keys until the correct time is displayed. Ready to bake? Simply press Bake and dashes will appear in the display. Press the up or down buttons and the display will show 350 degrees. You can then adjust the temperature in 5-degree increments. Once controls are selected, the oven will come on and begin heating to the selected baking temperature. When the oven is on, you will hear the cooling fan and warm air will be released through the vent. The fan will remain on during cooking. When the oven cools down, the fan will turn off automatically. To check the remaining time, press Bake Time. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information about cleaning the oven, racks, drawer, and even the exterior components of your induction range. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.